F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I am A, B, C. Next time, 1, 2, 3, with me. Time for us to go on happy day. Zero all again, then my friend. Time for us to go on happy day. See you once again. See you then, my friend. We are going now. Goodbye. Paalam na sa'yo. Paalam na sa'yo. Babalik. Friday, babalik. Bye, Teacher Len. Bye, Miss Marcel. Bye, classmates. See you all tomorrow.